Welcome back to M8 Your Motors. Today we're working on a Mercedes E-Class. Look at that. Now, the customer came to us saying how whenever they would go over a speed bump, there'd be a loud noise coming from the front of the car. So at M8 Your Motors, we diagnosed it was coming from the shock mounting, the shock absorber, and the upper suspension arms on both sides. Let's have a look at that. As you can clearly see, the shock absorber here has been replaced and the upper suspension arm has been replaced over here as well on both sides. Now, if you have any similar problems like this, come down to M8 Your Motors. We do it for an affordable price, good quality, and quick pace. Thank you.